Hello students, in this video we'll be talking about the ileocecal valve. Basically it is a valve present between the ileum and the cecum. Ileum, which was the last portion of the small intestine, and the cecum was the first portion of the large intestine. So the ileocecal valve is a connection between the last portion of our small intestine and the first portion of our large intestine. What are its parts? It has two lips and two frenulas. Basically two lips. One is the upper lip and the other is the lower lip, and the two frenulas are also formed on both sides. So the upper lip is horizontal and it lies at the ileocolic junction. I'll show you in the diagram. So this one is the upper lip and this one is the lower lip, and these two are the frenulas. So the upper lip, it is basically horizontal and it lies at the ileocolic junction, meaning that between the ileum and the colon, this upper lip is present basically at their junction. The lower lip, it is basically longer and concave and it lies at the ileocecal junction, meaning between the cecum and the ileum it is present. So we're talking about the frenulas now. There are two frenulas. One is the left or anterior frenula and the other one is the right or posterior frenula. The left frenula, also called the anterior frenula, is rounded, and the right or the posterior frenula is narrow and pointed. Okay, it is basically connecting the ileocecal valve to the walls of the cecum. Now we're going to be talking about the functions of our ileocecal junction. It basically prevents the reflux from the cecum to the ileum. So we know the function of valve. It basically prevents the backflow or the reflux of contents from our large intestine into the small intestine. The second function is to regulate the passage of contents from ileum to the cecum. It regulates the passage of contents from the ileum to the cecum.